Hello and welcome to Globe Motors Blackburn, the premier 5-star rated, award-winning, RAC approved used vehicle retailer in the UK. As an RAC approved retailer, we have a specialist group of in-house engineers who check every vehicle, including the one you're looking at right now, for any imperfection. They check all the exterior for any dings, dents, scratches or rust spots. They check all the interior to make sure it is of the highest quality. They also do a full check on all the engine as well as the tyres and electrics to make sure we can proudly say you will not find a better like-for-like vehicle than the one you are looking at right now. On top of this, every one of our RAC approved vehicles comes with the coveted RAC approved Buy Show package, which includes 3 months RAC warranty, 12 months RAC membership, and the rigorous RAC approved 82-point inspection with quality assurance certificate. This amazing hybrid Toyota Yaris has only done 36,537 miles. It has service history with 8 stamps, 7 of which are Toyota main dealer. But it comes with a free oil and filter service and a September 2023 MOT. Speaking of the interior checks that our RAC approved engineers perform, they check every inch of the fabric to make sure there's no signs of degradation, no signs of wear or tear. They check the steering wheel, gear knob and pedals for any signs of balding. And they also check the interior electronics to make sure every inch of the car is working as it should. Our engineers work tirelessly and take an extreme amount of pride knowing that all the checks that they do on our vehicles guarantee that you as the customer will drive away happy. When it comes to spec, this Yaris is exceptionally well equipped. It has a premium sound system with standard radio, DAB radio, aux and USB input, a touch screen system with Bluetooth and satellite navigation, hybrid engine eco mode, cruise control, dual zone climate control, air conditioning, electric windows, electric door mirrors, reverse camera, perfect for anyone who's having this as a first car, power assisted steering, multifunctional steering wheel, remote central locking, split rear seats for extra versatility, 16-inch alloy wheels, and the full ISOFIX child seat locking system, just to name but a few. If this is the type of vehicle you're looking for, then this has to be on your shopping list. Not only is it the best like-for-like vehicle on the market today, but it comes with the type of peace of mind that you only get with the RAC Buy Sure package. To view this vehicle, all you have to do is give us a call and we'll put it in our specially sanitised viewing booth where you can inspect the whole car at your leisure. Alternatively, we do have the live WhatsApp viewing, meaning you can be guided around the car by one of our trained staff from the comfort and safety of your own home. Until we hear from you, we'd like to say a massive thank you for watching this video. From all of us at Globe Motors Blackburn, stay safe and have a fantastic day.